Premium bison leather manufacturing begins with ethically sourced bison from regulated North American regions.
Hide recovery follows strict humane and regulatory standards.
The hide is now ready for curing, ensuring preservation before tannery processing. Industrial salt draws moisture from the hide, preventing bacterial growth. The soaking process rehydrates the hide, preparing it for transformation into leather.
The hides are now ready for dehairing and fiber preparation.
Deliming prepares premium bison leather hides for hair removal. hides now move to deliming and baiting, refining fiber structure. The liming process begins, opening the bison hide fiber structure for softness and strength.
Measured lime solutions penetrate deep into bison hide fibers.
Spent lime solution is safely drained from the bison hides. Deliming neutralizes residual lime, preparing hides for enzymatic treatment.
Precise pH control ensures bison leather quality and consistency.
Natural enzymes gently soften bison hide proteins. Baiting improves softness without damaging fiber strength.
Softness and grain looseness are carefully evaluated.
Final rinsing prepares the bison leather for tanning. The bison hides are now fully prepared for tanning. Elastic recovery confirms ideal fiber preparation. Prepared bison hides are organized for tanning selection. The bison leather now enters the critical tanning stage.
Natural tannins and chrome salts are measured with laboratory precision.
Tanning liquors penetrate deep into the bison hide fibers.
Tannins permanently stabilize collagen, transforming raw hide into leather.
Tannins permanently stabilize collagen, transforming raw hide into leather.
Temperature and time are tightly controlled for optimal bison leather strength.
Excess tanning solution is drained and recycled. Distinct tanning methods produce unique leather characteristics.
Each bison hide is inspected to confirm proper tanning penetration and structural stability.
Tensile testing ensures premium bison leather meets durability standards.
Approved bison leather batches are digitally logged for traceability.
Each hide is classified according to grain quality and intended use.
Tanned bison leather moves toward moisture stabilization.
Vacuum drying stabilizes leather structure without damaging grain. Moisture levels are reduced gradually to preserve strength.
Optimal moisture content is confirmed before conditioning.
Conditioning oils restore flexibility and richness.
Premium bison leather is now fully conditioned and ready for precision splitting.
Final moisture is removed while maintaining the natural shape of bison leather.
Balanced moisture ensures flexibility without compromising strength.
Cooling allows fibers to relax into their final form.
Cooling stabilizes leather dimensions before precision cutting operations.
Precision splitting ensures consistent leather gauge. Only perfectly uniform hides proceed to dyeing and finishing. Precise dye formulas define the final character of bison leather. Pigments are blended to exact specifications. Only approved shades move into full-scale dyeing. Dyes penetrate deeply into bison leather fibers.
Even penetration ensures consistent luxury color.
Final shade is calibrated to exact specifications. Intermediate drying sets the color before finishing. Embossing enhances grain definition when required. Controlled pressure locks in refined grain patterns. Heat setting seals the final finish. Texture quality confirms luxury-grade finish. Gloss enhances visual appeal and surface protection. Buffing ensures consistent surface texture before final QC. Quality inspection ensures only premium-grade leather moves forward. Batch certification ensures traceability for luxury export markets. Polishing reveals the natural luster of bison leather.
Did that scan correctly for the mahogany grade?
Yes, showing certified status now.
Every sheet is verified for luxury grade sheen before final QC.
Premium bison leather must resist minor scratches to meet luxury standards.
Flexibility is crucial for belts,
bags, and luxury upholstery.
Water resistance ensures protection and longevity of luxury bison leather products.
Every sheet is visually checked to uphold luxury grade standards. Grading ensures only the highest quality leather reaches premium clients. Certified premium bison leather is ready for cutting and global distribution. Batch certificates provide traceability for luxury clients.
Premium sheets are ready for precise size cutting and edge finishing.
Final checks guarantee only flawless leather enters cutting and packing stages.
Edge finishing ensures premium aesthetics and prevents fraying. Edges polished, sheets stacked for packing.
Sheets are organized by grade for packing and export readiness. Moisture barrier prevents environmental damage during shipping. Crates ensure safe transport to international buyers.
Shrink wrapping stabilizes crates for safe global transport.
Crates are securely loaded for international transport. Premium bison leather reaches global buyers, ready for luxury product assembly.
Designers ensure only flawless premium bison leather is used for bags, shoes, and belts.
Premium bison leather transforms into luxury fashion products ready for the market.
Premium bison leather transforms into luxury fashion products ready for the market.
Premium bison leather delivers luxury, quality, and durability to end consumers worldwide.
Premium bison leather delivers luxury, quality, and durability to end consumers worldwide.